It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you.
Thank you.
Feel you. I want you around.
Hey y'all, so as mommy, lights on green.
Can't even talk.
The eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Right now I'm on my way to get my second hole done. I've been wanting this for a while. I've just been contemplating on like what I want to like do and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get my second hole pierced, and as you can see, I got my nails done. Period. Self-care day, don't play. Period. I'm on my way right now. My appointment's at 4 o'clock. It's 3:43. But yeah, I'm gonna try and record. I don't know, cause due to COVID, they probably only let like, you can't have guests or anything. So I don't know how it's gonna work, but yeah, I'll catch y'all guys there.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mouth flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
So y'all, so I just got them done. As you can see, they honestly didn't even hurt.
You honest lie.
Mom.
You honest lie.
Anyway, it didn't hurt. Like, it was just a little pinch. I didn't film, so yeah. I'll talk to y'all when I get home.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep face.
Got them clean. I'm eating. If you haven't tried these be too good, too good. I'm getting ready. It's kind of like a chill day. Let me kind of explain. Okay. So this is a vlog, like kind of a chill day, getting myself together, cause I mean, come on, look at my hair. And so I've been kind of like fixing myself up because it's just been like, I'm tired of, like, I've had this in for a month. It's time to change it up. Fall literally came like 2 days ago. That's my favorite season. Cut a check for no reason. But yeah, that's my favorite season. And I need to get ready for fall. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order, so like, I'm gonna order this wig I've been wanting. For the longest. Like, I've been wanting this wig for the longest. And it'll go perfect for fall. I'm not really gonna say what color, but if you know, you know, because it's kind of obvious. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a wig installed, because I don't know, like, that's what fall brings. Like, that's what it gives. And then also, I don't know when I'm gonna take this out. Like, while the wig is getting here, like in the process of getting here, I think what I'm gonna do is take these out and get a ponytail or something, because these braids, they look a little crunchy, dusty, you know. And I just want to get these out. I just want them out. Just me, like, you just don't feel good when you don't feel upkept. Put it like that. Like, I really don't feel like myself. Like, what is this? Right now I'm getting ready and I'm headed over to my grandma's house to get my packages. The reason I send my packages over to my grandma's house is because where I'm living at, I don't trust trust the neighbors here, because my mom ordered some like hairpins for her wig or whatever, and the like, you know, like the message you get like when like the email saying like it arrived and stuff, and she got back here and it went here. And like next door, her neighbor was in the process of moving, and it's kind of like, it's kind of crazy that they say they arrived here but they're not here. So I was like, yeah, no. And look, I'll be pissed if I order some shoes and somebody stole my shoes. See, that's the problem. My clothes, period. Like anything that have to do with clothes, shoes, hair, oh, especially a wig. If somebody stole my wig, maybe we're gonna have to bump. Like, we're gonna have to bump, because I don't play hard-earned money and somebody still, no. See, I'm gonna get on the rant, because just thinking about that pisses me off. Like, why would you do that? But anywho, oh, excuse me. I'm on my way to pick up some packages. I ordered some clothes for the fall, and I will be doing a fall haul for that. And then what else? Then I ordered the infamous bag. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about, but I've been wanting that bag for the longest, and I think it's here. I'm not sure if that's, because I know I ordered a bag, I ordered some shoes, so I don't know what exactly got here. So yeah, this girl that I used to go to school with, about see if she can do me a ponytail or something, because these ain't cutting it. Ain't not cutting it, so I'll keep y'all updated. Yeah, peace. This is the fit. Please excuse that right there. I gotta clean that up. But that's the fit. I'm gonna have to come back home. I don't need to look cute for nobody, so that's really the plan. And I will catch you guys. Well, I'll just keep you guys updated, but I'll keep you guys updated. Well, we're at my grandma's house still, but I'm waiting for my mom in the car. It's 3:22. We're supposed to go run errands like to Sam's, and I think that's it. But yeah, just to get some food, because your girl be hungry at home and don't be nothing to eat. Yo, what like packages came? My clothes still have not came yet. They don't come until the 28th, so Tuesday, because I'm filming this on a Saturday. I don't know what it is. I hate waiting for clothes. Like, I swear, it be so long. Got some Air Forces. Literally, just Air Forces. Because I'm making so much noise. Hold on. Because I had some, and then they got dirty. You know, you always got to get a new pair of Air Forces. Like, I can get it out. This is what the bag looks like. Marc Jacobs tote bag. How cute, how cute. You cannot say this is not cute. I got this color because you know, it's a good color for the fall. Very good color for the fall. And that's what it looks like on the inside. All that came today. This is back in here. Now I'm waiting on my mom, and then we should be headed to the grocery store. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, and I will hold me till I scream for air to breathe.